In this video, let's look at how to deploy the Site24x7 agent for Kubernetes monitoring on OpenShift using command line interface. To get started, log in to Site24x7. Click the Kubernetes icon in the left navigation. From the Help Assistant page, click Add a Kubernetes Monitor. Select the OpenShift tab. Before grabbing your YAML files, toggle the Management Actions switch to Enabled to manage or restart your cluster resources from the Site24x7 console. Save the pre-configured YAML file into your local environment. Click the Copy button to grab the required terminal command. Execute this command in your terminal to create the authentication secret and apply the YAML file. After the deployment completes successfully, type OC get pods to verify that the monitoring components are up and running. Go to your Site24x7 web console. In the left navigation menu, click the Kubernetes icon. Then click the created clusters to see a high-level summary of your active environments, including total CPU, memory, and disk utilization, ensuring complete operational transparency.